Let's memorize the first 20 elements of the periodic table. The first 20 elements of the periodic table are hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium, calcium. Let's use Happy Henry and Naughty Maggie. Happy Henry likes bees, but could not offer flowering nectars. Naughty Maggie always sings playful songs clearly around kids' camp. Using these two sentences, we can simply align them with the names of the elements from the periodic table in this form. Finally, the 20 elements from the periodic table are thus memorized by just remembering Happy Henry and Naughty Maggie. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share with your friends.